In bullish engulfing, we have to wait for one more candle to form, the bullish candle,
Okay.
which has to be a green candle, right? So let's say there is a hammer, and then the other candle has to be green, and it should fully cover the previous candle. That is why it is
Okay.
called as engulfing. Engulfing means covering the full candle, right? So here it is covering the previous candle, right? You can see here.
Yes,
So
yes, Uncle. It's
now,
covering the hammer.
so now what you have to do, you have to draw some lines like this. Now you have to wait for a breakout here. Once it crosses the eye of this green candle, then you can take a buy trade here. Right. So
Okay, Uncle.
some traders will take trade here only once it crosses the high of the hammer. Who are a bit riskier trader, they will take here only. But who are safe traders, they will wait for this candle and then they will buy at the high.
Okay, Uncle.
The only thing is that if you buy at the hammer, your stop loss will be low. Here, your stop loss will be big, actually.
A bit more.
Yeah. Or you can keep the half candle as a stop loss. There is one more option. You can keep half candle stop.
Okay, Uncle.
Otherwise, your stop loss will be here. It's too far, right? Okay. So you have to take the entry at the high of this candle by here, and then your target will be the previous swing high, 1 and 2. So targets you have to decide based on the pivot or previous swing high only.